Audi A8 2012 engine, 4.2 liters, CD RA engine name. Took the serpentine belt tensioner out because of a pulley bearing shot. New one around $180, was in $200 range. So what I did, I drill out those rivets, separate it, pull the bearing out, bought the bearing that cost $7, and I'm gonna replace the bearing. And I've got the bolts that I'm gonna sandwich with those bolts and lock nuts those two pieces together. So bolts are M5-.80, 30 cents each, and no, sorry, it's a nuts. So it's a nuts, M5-.80, 30 cents each, nuts like that. And bolts are, I'll show you one. So bolts are 6-32 by ½ inch. So that's the bolts I'm going to use. And I'm going to use also for the spacers stainless steel washers, number 10. And bearing is 6203. 6203 or 203F. So that's the bearing I'm going to use. Compressing just by hand. Pushed it nicely, it went in. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I have to line up my arrows here. So it's right here. Okay. Here's the stainless steel washer on both sides. Okay, bolt, washer, stainless steel. So one side compressed already. So then I'm gonna compress another one just with the bolts. So washer, bolt, washer again. Just like that, and then I'm gonna put washer on the other side too. And lock nuts. Washer, lock nut. Okay, and the last one. Gotta screw it by hand, doesn't want to go in. So washer, lock nut. And then there is a gap there, so I can probably press it with my fingers in, but I'm gonna nicely compress by screwing each of those bolts. And that's how I'm gonna get this thing replaced, that bearing inside. So that's the one that goes on the serpentine tensioner, and this one exactly the same like this. That's an idler. So I got another set. Got one more bearing, so I'm gonna do exactly the same thing with this other one. And this one idler is around $80, and this one, like I said, range is 180 to 200. So by buying those bolts, which has cost me $8, and washers, stainless steel washers, so $8 plus $7 or $8 one bearing, so around $30 cost me to rebuild 2 bearings on a serpentine belt tensioner and on an idler. So I save around $280, $300